Hello and welcome to Gemini Dent Repair. Today we have a dent in a rear gate. It's fairly large. I'm going to show you the steps we use to repair this. We're starting out with some large glue pulling tabs and a pogo stick, and going to do a couple of these, and when we're done with that we're going to switch it up to do some pushing with PDR rods, and then going to be doing knockdown with some PDR tools. And by the time we're done, it's just going to need one little skim of putty. All right, enjoy. Okay, here we have what's looking like after we're done pushing and doing our knockdowns. And what I'm going to do with this is give it a quick little sand and then a little skim of putty over top. And it's going to be ready for the paint shop. Here we got it back from the paint shop and all assembled, ready to deliver to another happy customer. All right, take care guys, hope you enjoyed the video.